Guys, in this video we will see how to fix display driver fail to start issue on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing display driver fail to start issue, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose run. Run dialog box will now open. Here execute the command as shown on the screen, msdt.exe-id space device diagnostic. This command will open device and hardware troubleshoot. Click on OK. Hardware and devices troubleshoot will open. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Find and fix problems with devices and hardware. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically. And click on next from the bottom right corner. It will diagnose your system for any hardware and devices related issues. It will not only detect the issue, try to fix accordingly. And check whether your error display driver failed to start error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run again. And here type sysdm.cpl, sysdm.cpl. This command will open system performance windows. Click on OK. System properties windows will now open. Here go to advanced tab from the top menu bar. And under performance settings, click on settings. Visual effects, processor, scheduling, memory uses and virtual memory. Click on settings. And here from the top menu bar, go to visual effects and make the check against options adjust for best performance. And finally, click on OK from the bottom of the page. This will ensure best performance of your window regarding hardware and devices and other display adapter driver section, and try to fix accordingly. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Update your display adapter driver. Right click on the start button and choose device manager from the context menu. Device manager window will now open. Here from under driver section, go to display adapter section, expand it and right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Click on search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating your display adapter driver. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Close the device manager windows. And sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of display adapter and other driver related issues. So you must install latest update in your system. To do so, right click on start button and choose settings. From the left side, scroll down and click on Windows Update. Here from the right side, click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter, scroll down and you will find the option advanced options. Click on it. Here scroll down and click on optional updates under additional options. Click on it. And if any driver update available, simply make the check against this and choose download and install it. After that, restart your system. Your problem of display adapter driver